I'm Kate from Yourway. Let's take a quick look at how to use Suggest Image and Suggest Videos to add aligned resources right inside your tool outputs. And the best part? This takes seconds. Here, I used our worksheet generator to create a differentiated worksheet on the cause and effect of heat transfer and how it contributes to plate motion. The content looks great. Now I want to add a few images and videos to help students engage and understand it even faster. First, images. Highlight the part of the text you want Yourway to use for the search, then click Suggest Image. Just like that, Yourway drops image suggestions in line right in your output based on the keywords you selected. Scroll through and pick the best match, and if none of these are quite right, click Regenerate to get a fresh set of options. Once you find the one you love, select it and click Confirm. After it's inserted, you can resize it, wrap text, and format however you like. Now let's add a video. Over here, I'm on my worksheet for multilingual learners. To support that group even more, I want to include a short video they can watch. Same process. Highlight the text you want to search, then click Suggest Video. You'll immediately see video suggestions in line that you can choose from. Want more choices? Hit Regenerate. When you find the best fit, select it and click Confirm. The video will be inserted into your output so you can review it. Videos will export as links. When you're ready to share, head to Manage Content and choose how you'd like to export. Images will appear in the exported files, and videos will show up as links. That's it. No more endless scrolling through Google Images or YouTube trying to find something aligned and classroom ready. Be sure to check out other videos and don't forget to subscribe and share this with your colleagues.